Hi there! In this tutorial lesson, we're gonna make this part of the project manageable from the WordPress dashboard. So we're gonna have a lot of fun. Let's begin. So now, before creating the fields, let's see how much we're gonna need. So we're gonna need one field for this one, for this title, one for this one, and one field, to insert the image. Okay, so guys, so now let's go to the WordPress dashboard. So now we are in WordPress dashboard. Let's read the fields. So first of all, let's see. We're gonna say project title and project BTN. Okay, and this will be the project image. Okay, let's create these fields. Okay, custom fields. And now we have to create another grab um, for our project. We're gonna name it project. This will be the name of our new field grab. Okay, and now this is the part like I already told you most important. So we're gonna say page. This will be page and where it's gonna show in the home page. Okay, and now let's create project title. Project title. Sorry guys, let me do it again. Press tab to generate the field, and this will be a text. Okay, and before the wrapper will be, I will have two columns. 33% will be the width of the wrapper, and another field for, let's see, project BTN. Okay, project BTN. Let's start to generate the field, and this also will be a text, and wrapper will be 33%. And the last one and will be for the image. So remember, this will be a loop. Okay, so we're gonna create, the name will be project 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 image. Okay, press tab. So in this case, the field type will be not text but will be a repeater, so that we're gonna um, have the loop. And inside the project image, guys, you already know, I will create the fields. I will have to create one field, and the field is the image. So let's see the name we're gonna give project image, project image. We could say loop. So just leave it simple. Okay, and this the field type will be an image, guys. Let's see here, an image. Okay, and the wrapper will be 33%. Okay, and now, okay, all the fields were created, and now let's publish. Okay, so now we're gonna go back to our page to insert the data. In the dashboard, let's click to page. Okay, to access our home page. Okay, home page. um okay, so let's see our field grab. This is process, this is project. Okay guys, we are here, and I'm gonna check this. It should be here, but I will fix this later. Okay, quickly, this is the name, the title, the project title. Oh, project title and project BTN. Let's see, view more. So we can type this, view more. Okay, and here we're gonna add image. I'm gonna drag and drop um, the image from the project. Okay, and drag and drop, guys. Okay, this will be five. There will be five images. Okay, so you see, and update. So now the last part, let's go to our code editor. To output the images. Okay. So here, before I have to copy um, I have to copy the field, and with the loop this will be project image, and let's expand, and here we're gonna need this also. Okay, so let's go back again, okay, to our code, and here we're gonna output. So before we're gonna need only one, and after we're gonna generate the loop. So let's get rid of all of these. Okay, and we're gonna need only one. Okay, only one, and we're gonna loop through this. This will be um our single item, and we're gonna loop through it. Okay, so um we're gonna make the loop here. Let's make a little space here. Okay, and now let's open PHP tags space. So we're gonna have a loop. If have rows, you already know this, the name of the world project image, and let's close PHP, and here open PHP, and now let's get this. If there is no image, um, saved in, so nothing will be shown. So, and now we have to make another test. So this is the item, we're gonna loop through it, and let's open again PHP. Okay, and here we're gonna say like WordPress, why have post the post. In this case, we're gonna say if have rows, I mean the name of the row. So let's go back to copy the name. Okay, let's go back real quick, and here, and this will be the name of our field. And let's go back again. Okay, so um, we're gonna say let's put it here so that we will take it in a while. Okay, while have rows, the name of the row, and the row like WordPress. Okay, and now let's close PHP, and here open PHP, and in between we're gonna cut the item to put it here. Okay, so now the only thing we have to do is to output, the field of the image here. So we already have the field. Okay, let's get this, remove. Okay, so now we're gonna say, let's put it in a variable, um, project project loop img. Okay, img, and let's see. So now we're gonna say get subfield. We are in a loop, remember, and the subfield name is this one, project image loop. And now we have to output the URL to show the image. We're gonna say echo, sorry, and echo this field has parameter bracket quote uh, URL, and add comma. And now let's make a quick test to see if the errors. Okay, let's go back, and okay, so here let's reload, guys. So okay, as you can see, um this part here, everything in this part comes from the WordPress dashboard. So please leave your comment below. I'm available for any question, and like and subscribe. I will leave my email if you want to inbox me, and I would say, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.